Want to boost your real estate marketing by easily sharing engaging YouTube videos with your leads directly through Follow Up Boss? Alright, first things first, head over to your Follow Up Boss account and navigate to the People section. This is where you'll find your list of leads and clients. Next, select the contact you want to send the YouTube video to by clicking on their name. This will open up their profile, where you can see all their information and communication history. Now, jump over to YouTube and find the awesome video you want to share. Once you found it, click the share button located below the video. A bunch of sharing options will pop up, but we're going to keep it simple. Click the copy button next to the video link to copy the URL to your clipboard. Head back to Follow Up Boss and in the contacts profile, open up either an email or text message composition box, then simply paste the YouTube video link into the body of your message. To make it even more engaging, write a short message above the link, giving them a reason to click. For example, check out this video about the neighborhood market update. Or I thought this home staging tip might be helpful for you. Finally, give it one last check and hit that send button to deliver your engaging video content straight to your lead's inbox or phone.